right now, but I got some things to talk about. I'm gonna go to a spot that's not in my neighborhood. We're gonna go probably to the airfield or something. I gotta talk about, you'll see. But this shit's so loud, I fucking, goddamn it.
What's up, dude?
What's up, dog?
What's up?
I'm just making a fucking video about ranting about toe mirrors.
About what?
Ranting about the toe mirrors.
Oh, fuck the toe mirrors.
Yeah,
dude.
fuck them. Don't fucking fuck with them too much because they will break so easy.
They look so good, but they're so jank.
They look so good, but they're so delicate. All right, so we got a +1 here.
What's up?
We're gonna go make this fucking video really quick, and let's get to it. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at my Chevy Silverado and my experience with toe mirrors specifically, because it's put me through a lot of shit, and I just want to recommend a method to getting these mirrors without them being all fucked up. So we're going to head over here to the truck. So this right here is it's my Silverado. I'm sure you guys have seen it before. First of all, before we even start with the toe mirrors, currently in development of the shit ass stickers. Ironically, it's peeling off like shit. They're gonna be, I'm thinking about $3–4 once I get them into actual quality, because these are like paper. Like I said, we're still in development. I'll have the link below eventually, and open the web shop. We'll have them for sale, and a couple other new stickers coming. If you want to support the channel, whatever. They're not for sale yet, unless you want them to look like that. They're just not weatherproof. They're everything proof besides weather. Alright. These are the Amazon special, eBay special, whatever you want to call it. These are your bottom of the barrel toe mirrors for $75 to $100. There's 3 things you should know when you go out and purchase aftermarket toe mirrors. My first recommendation would be, if your truck didn't come with toe mirrors, don't buy fucking toe mirrors, because there's no point. I mean, this is the dinkiest shit. It's the jankiest of the jank. I mean, if I would have slapped this any harder than I just had, the fucking mirror glass would have popped right out. Now, if you want to come up and get a closer look, I don't know if you can tell, the glass came this way. It came separated from the actual pivotal point. The glass is separated. It's not even fucking on there most of the part. So I just try and leave that there and pretend that it's not really there. Also, this one, the pivotal here, when you're buying toe mirrors, you want to check. There's not going to be any images online, but you're going to want to see, you can't see this even with the camera. Inside the housing, you got to see if the glass is clamped on by metal or plastic. If it's plastic, that's a no-go. Don't buy the mirrors. Like I said, these are 75 bucks. So what do you get with 75 bucks? You get this, you get that for some fucking reason. Who the fuck? I actually don't even know that they're supposed to do that, but mine do. What else do you get? Oh, now for all you fucking moose power lovers out there, that's right. However many inches of straight extendo mode. You like these? Yeah, I'd recommend that you just go ahead, buy the toe mirrors that look good on your truck. These are generic as fuck. You could put this on anything. You could put this on a fucking minivan and they will look the same as they look on your truck. The issue is, the bottom line, these toe mirrors are cheap plastic from Japan. These are the bottom of the barrel, and the issue is you get what you pay for. These were 75 bucks. Let me tell you about the first set that I owned. This is like my first week with this set, so they're not broken yet. They will be in a few days. My first attempt with toe mirrors, they were $100, and I was like, okay, that's pretty affordable. I get them out of the package. They're fine, whatever. They're pretty good. Then what happens just right after that, next day, I'm just cruising down on the side of the river, you know, the river fucking, whatever the fuck it's called. What is it called? The levee?
Oh, the levee.
I don't know how to explain that to a general audience.
The levee.
They
know what that is,
most people
yeah.
know what that is? Okay. So I was just cruising down the levee, going through potholes, and I get outside, check my truck, check my mirrors. I go over to adjust my mirror, and the whole fucking glass panel pops out. Alright, so we're gonna talk about the benefits, well, the pros and cons to owning mirrors like these. Now, on the rare occasion that you actually tow with these mirrors, which is fucking slim to none, no one tows with tow mirrors. You buy them for the look, and it's fine. You buy it for the aesthetic, whatever. You get the small penis jokes, you get over it. It's alright. So, say you want to actually tow shit. Extendo mode, right? Okay. Alright, say you put those out. Extendo mode. There's no way you can see the truck. It just shows the ground the whole fucking time. Actually, with the extendo, it's not that bad.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna put you through a hypothetical. Say you're ready to tow, you got your trailer all rigged up, you're like, alright, mirrors folded in, let's fold them out. Cool. Step one, you wanna adjust your glass, right? No power mirrors, by the way. Couldn't afford those. Too expensive. I just wanted to be tow mirror boy. Alright, so that one's kind of fucking adjusted. Doesn't matter, as soon as you hit over 40 miles per hour, they're just gonna shake out of place. This bottom one doesn't do shit, because it's too magnified. So whatever, say you got your mirror. I don't even have a trailer to pull, because like I said, I don't tow shit. But if I need to go to my passenger, alright, so I got this mirror set up, and now I need to adjust my passenger, right? You'd think, oh wait, power mirrors. No, fuck you, those don't work. So, how the fuck am I gonna extend those, huh? I have to have a passenger 24/7 just to fold out my tow mirrors. Alright, cool, that's great. Those are fucking out. Now try and adjust that glass. Make it so you can see perfectly. Oh. No, fuck you. From this angle, from where I'm sitting, I can't see shit. I can literally see the bush like 50 yards away, and that's about it. That's how practical owning $75 tow mirrors are. Extremely practical. Alright, so now we're going to conduct a test. I wouldn't suggest this. We're going to do it. So you got to back up, right? Put the bitch in reverse. Check your mirrors. Oh wait, I can't see anything. Where am I going? I have no fucking clue where the fuck I'm going. I'm just going through dirt. What though? Best benefit of all that lower glass, you can see the fucking burnout amplified through the glass. You don't get that with any other mirror. So that's definitely a benefit. It's definitely a pro. Let's do another test. Yo, we're about to go through the fucking vineyards. Alright, so say you conveniently find a road like this, right? You gotta go in reverse. You're gonna back in. You know, if you had power mirrors, you could just adjust, but I couldn't afford those. I'm not using my mirrors because I can't see anything. So here's how I back into things with tow mirrors. Just like that, you've reached your destination without the help of your mirrors.
Oh my god.
Oh, fuck. God damn it.
Focus. There you go.
Alright, as you can see, us country boys get down and dirty, especially with the toe mirrors. Not only is the toe mirror going to add a nice aesthetic, good look, you're also going to get burnout capabilities if you didn't have them before. So that's basically the end of the video. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one. Hopefully you liked my toe mirrors and my review on them. I was trying to be brutally honest as possible. So, you know, that's basically it. I would recommend buying toe mirrors that aren't 75 bucks. You're just gonna take the L on it. No one wants to take the L. I forgot we left them.